Hello, dear students, and welcome to this video class of Colombian legislation. I'm your teacher, Alejandro de Mendoza, and welcome to this class of foreign trade. I'm going to share my screen in order to start our presentation. Okay, so the title of the conference is Colombian Legislation and Customs Statute. The speaker's name Alejandro de Mendoza, your teacher, and the date of today is 7th of May of 2018. The objective of this conference is to make known the keys of the new customs statute in order to enter a greater context compared to what currently governs foreign trade in Colombia. For this, we will be based on the 5 keys that you can apply in order to make a better impo or expo process, okay? This is going to be a very light presentation because I don't want to give you too many descriptions or many concepts and also make you tired of the same. So I think I elaborate this video class in a focus very light. I don't want to enter in different terminologies or definitions that can make you give a not a not good result of the concepts that I want to translate to give you. So for that, the day order is first we are going to see the basic concepts, which is the customs statute, on which is based, and which seeks. And then we are going to see the 5 keys of the new customs statute, an infogram, the harmonization and international standards, a stronger guardian, management of the risk, logistics the key, and technological modernization. Finally, we're going to give some conclusions and bibliography. Okay, first, which is the Customs Statute? The Customs Statute is the standard that harmonizes the procedures of operations with international standards and allows employers to reduce times and costs. The new statute contains more than 670 articles, which seeks to streamline and improve the processes of export and import of products and supplies. Which are the benefits? First, risk management system. Okay, what it search is to reduce all the traffic and that of shipments and products that enter into the country, and not pay any taxes or not make any process of clearance. So that this is what it search. Also, it gives improvement of foreign trade logistics because it gives knowledge to make a better clearance process, and also give benefits with tariff codes that you can apply in order to reduce cost in taxes. Also facilitate and reduce the costs of customs formalization. The objective of this is to reduce times and costs with the tariff codes. Also, the option gives options for the guarantees and in order to pay the obligations that we have. An example, we are going to make a temporary importation, right? So as you may know, we have to pay each month or each 3 months or each semester, okay, a quote regarding the products or the equipment that we are using here in Colombia, and we have to make an export as soon as it finish the process of temporary import. So it gives you options in order that you can pay that quotes. Okay. And finally, the inspection. If you are a good impo impo organization or expo organization, it gives you advantages regarding the process of pre-inspection or checking out the shipment or products that you are bringing or making an exportation of them, on which the Customs Statute is based. First, compile, because finally order, we will be giving to the patchwork quilt, in which customs regulations had become in recent years following the signing of free trade agreements with dozens of countries. Okay, remember what we made, or the activity that we made regarding the free trade agreements. Okay, it gives you a lot of advantage. Also facilitate, since expeditious procedures are incorporated in an accordance with the new realities of foreign trade. And finally, the objective of controlling aims to strengthen the institutional framework and provide new tools to both the DIAN and Ministry of Commerce to prevent violation and prevent the use of foreign trade in illicit activities such as drugs and contrabando, as we said in Spanish, and stuff like that. Searching of the Customs Statute. It seeks to give order to the system of foreign trade in the country, modernizing some rules that had become obsolete and incorporating many that were be used outside the document. Yeah, what search really the new customs statute is to apply more laws and and also give more benefits to the people that is bringing or making export of or the for the products. Um, in the past document of the statute, there were some laws that were obsolete, or because at the moment doesn't were applied, and doesn't give a good explanation, and and for the government in these customs statute were manipulated to his convenience. So this new statute searches to eliminate that that process of the government takes the decision and I have to pay what the government wants. The keys to the customs statute. Okay, we are going to see an infogram of the 5 keys. Okay, let's just wait a second. Okay, okay. Meanwhile, we're going to see if there is anyone here connected. Okay, here doesn't have anyone. Okay, but if you want to make some questions, you can ask. If you cannot be on this video class, don't worry, you can make questions by email or here or by chat or the way you want. Okay, continuing with our infogram. Okay, here are the 5 keys. I don't know why it doesn't look good, this infogram. Oh, still thinking. I'm going to just give me one more sec. Hope this works. Okay, don't look good. Okay, it's charging some images, but okay, I don't know what happened here. Just wait a sec. Okay, I'm going to start. Meanwhile, the images are going to be charged by the webcam, by the web page. So first, we have the harmonization. Uh, Regarding the new statute incorporates the principles of the World Customs Organization, the recommendation of the Andean Community, and those of the Organization for Economic Cooperation and Development. No. Okay, it doesn't let me into the infogram. Okay, just a sec. Infogram. Sign in. Okay, just a sec. I don't know. It's It's really slow the internet here. Okay, don't worry. I'm really sorry for this delay, guys, but I'm waiting for a good internet here. Okay, let's hope that 5S, 5S, back. Uh, Here it is. Okay, now we can start. Oh, I don't know why. Well, okay. I don't know what happened here, but the system or the web page doesn't let me show the images. Wait, if we one more feet, one more try. Nope, doesn't let me. Okay, so what is search? First, harmonization. Okay, includes all the customs organization, the recommendation of the Andean community to make import or export process, and economic cooperation and development between countries. The second topic is as strong as the end. That what it search is a mechanic asynchronization with the law, smuggling, to give more teeth to the end, and criminal justice, which can now punish more severely with who offenders. I mean, with the ones that doesn't make payment of taxes here in Colombia and doesn't make clearance process of the products that bring. Risk management is the backbone of the Customs Statute, and in this sense, one of the main values that govern the relations between the state and the individuals in foreign trade has to do with the confidence. Um, Next, the key logistics process. We have to reduce customs in the logistic process, and for that, it contemplates that the foreign trade system will work with state-of-art technology, such as the installed in ports and airports, which includes scanners for non-intrusive revision to shorten the terms of nationalization of goods or clearance process, as we say here in Colombia, and it's its way reality the proposal to coordinate simultaneous inspections with authority of ICA and BIMA and DIAN. Okay, so the objective is to reduce times and costs, and for that, technology is applied in order to check your products before the process of pre-inspection or inspection of goods starts. And finally, technological modernization that consists in the administration of new procedures that with a very robust platform such as Muisca here, and where they can be incorporated when we incorporate all the products that we are bringing or making export. In other words, it will be necessary to mount a Muisca for all foreign trade operations. Okay, all the products must be in Muisca. All the products that we are bringing or we are making exportation. Okay, and this give us the advantage to have everything compiled in just one platform. Here we are going to see some customs presentation. I have taken this video from YouTube. I think it will work for you, and well, here it is. Okay, just give one sec. Okay, how does customs work? We have two, types of goods: tax and free goods. Here we can see the shipment, okay, that arrives here to the port of, well, Colombia. Let's see, and there it pays to entry the cargo to the port where it's going to be made a clearance process, okay, and there we the, the Tian and the people make the clearance process. Here we have another shipment, okay, and with this one, it has made a pay and is products that doesn't have to make pre-inspection, maybe because it's a multinational organism that is qualified by the end with the triple A. Okay, so the shipment doesn't has to make a pre-inspection, but well, if so, here you can see in customs they make the pre-inspection of the products that we are bringing. Then we make the payment. Well, it's elaborate regarding the documents, the commercial invoice and the pro forma invoice and the packing list, the and the tariff codes, the the import declaration. Okay, so and with that, customs may when it expires that customs declarations, it tells to the client that he can pay for the clearance process. When he pay, meanwhile, as we can see, all the products are entry make entry to the warehouse of customs. But when the client pays um, for the taxes, the port gives the products to the forwarder that the clients had to make the distribution in Colombia, or if not pay, okay, the products can stay in the warehouse of customs in port, and if you're not paying me in some time, uh, these products can be the commi- can be um to to the disposition of the country. So um, this is a very short sample of what I want to see with you. But the thing is that the Customs Statute is the one that regulates all the import or expo process. When you make an importation, you have to uh, had a lot of documents, as we have seen, and also um, pay for taxes in order that the products can be delivered to you. Okay, well, continue with our presentation. The conclusions that we have for this is, first of all, we can conclude that the new customs statute seeks to facilitate the import and export processes between Colombia and other countries, to the simple fact if only checking with the commercial invoice where the merchandise come from. Also, the technological infrastructure will make things much easier and will be greatly streamline the process of nationalization from 3 days to 1 day. As we saw in the example, if you are an organization that is qualified with AAA by the government, you can make a automatic process of nationalization, and it gives you at the max 1 day to make all the clearance process. And finally, it's necessary to have knowledge of the 5 keys indicated. Remember the logistics, the technological, okay, indicated on this video, because since these are the success of our foreign trade processes. That's all, dear students. Hope you enjoyed this video class, and okay, we are in touch. Bye bye. Here is the bibliography. Everything was picked out from webpage portfolio. Here is the link and the databases of the UMB. Bye bye, dear students. Have a nice day.